Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 BMW X6M competition. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Alright, I'm not seeing any paint chips on the front at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood looks perfect. No scratches, no paint chips. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look very good. I'm not seeing any scratches or door dings at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the SUV. The trunk and back bumper are spotless back here. Everything looks fine. Also, the spoiler is perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Alright, I'm not seeing a scratch on this quarter panel. No paint chips, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door on this side look perfect. I believe here on the side skirt, if I'm not wrong, some scratches on it right there. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks good. No scratches, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Alright, the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Alright, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the AC buttons. The shifter looks fine. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Alright, the steering wheel buttons look perfect. Also, the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.